Welcome to InfoWare. I'm here with Julia.
Hello, Thomas.
Hi. And Julia is part of our sales team, and she's made a number of new videos. Julia, what did you do?
Yeah, I made some short video clips as explains some main functions, MapTrip, about the app, and also about the editors. Yeah.
Okay. So when I look at our, we created a new playlist on YouTube, which is called MapTrip Basics. And let me see, there you are. And so when I look at it, the first video here, it says how to install the MapTrip app, how to find a gas station in the navigation, how to find the truck parking. And you made all the videos in both in German and in English?
Exactly. They are all in German and in English. Yeah.
Okay, good. And you said there are also some videos about the editors, or is it only about the MapTrip navigation itself?
No, there are also videos about the MapTrip editor. Currently, it's about the Follow Me editor, some hidden functions, or how you can do it like quick and easy. But the other ones are coming also.
How to move several track dots at the same time in the MapTrip
Yeah,
Follow Me editor.
for example.
Yeah, that's very useful.
Yeah.
Okay, that looks great. So here is one video, the main buttons of the user interface. So that is really like the very, very basics to explain how the MapTrip navigation app works, right?
Exactly. So if you do not want to read our manual, or you do not find the time currently, you can just search for a video for a special topic, and the videos are all short. They are like 1 minute or 2 minutes, and you can just watch the video.
Okay, good. And if there is any other topic that we haven't thought of,
yeah, then please contact us, write us or call us, and we're happy to make a short video about it.
Yeah, great. Yeah. And Julia makes these videos really, really well. So yeah, so we would really, it would be great to hear from you if you have any questions, any ideas on topics that we should cover about GPS navigation in general or MapTrip specifically. Please do write us, send us a message, and yeah, we hope we can make a good video about that or produce some kind of content that you find helpful. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye, Thomas.
Bye.